Here are some easy biomedical engineering projects that you can consider. DIY pulse oximeter. Build a simple pulse oximeter to measure heart rate and blood oxygen levels using a microcontroller and an optical sensor. Prosthetic hand. Create a basic prosthetic hand model using 3D printing and servomotors for finger movements. Electrocardiogram ECG simulator. Design and build a simple ECG simulator to mimic heart signals for testing medical equipment. Biofeedback system. Develop a biofeedback system that measures physiological parameters like heart rate or skin conductance and provides real-time feedback to help manage stress. Microfluidic device. Create a microfluidic device for cell culture or drug testing applications using soft lithography techniques. Neural interface. Design a basic neural interface using EEG sensors to interpret brain signals and control external devices. Drug delivery system. Build a small-scale drug delivery system using microcontrollers and pumps to deliver medication at controlled rates. Wearable health monitor. Develop a wearable device that tracks vital signs like heart rate, temperature, and activity levels for continuous health monitoring. Remember to always follow safety guidelines and ethical considerations while working on biomedical engineering projects. Additionally, make sure to consult with experts or mentors if needed. Good luck with your projects.